All right, so we're going to start with CSK first up, and Dan Vittori, Saurabh Somani, Gaurav Sundararaman, and myself are massively underpaid to do what people are paid $1 million for, decide which team, which players should be retained ahead of a big IPL auction. We will start with CSK, and I can tell you this is just one out of the two franchises out of the existing 8 where we are all unanimous on the 4 retentions. Of course, MS Dhoni is there. Mr. Srinivasan says there's no Dhoni without CSK, no CSK without Dhoni. And we also have Ravindra Jadeja, Ruturaj Gaikwad, and Moeen Ali as the only overseas options that are retained. So, gentlemen, we don't need to discuss why we've taken these players because we're all on the same page. But we will discuss the notable absentees from this retention list. First up, GS, why no Faf du Plessis?
Well, it's a tough call. CSK back experience, and that's been very successful for them. Faf has had a brilliant year season. And yeah, there is no RTM to get him back. But I think the cost of Moeen Ali would be much more than the cost of Faf du Plessis in a big auction. And Moeen Ali is now retired from tests. He's always available. He's playing the T10. And generally, he'll be very fresh with this format of the game. So I think he plays a big role for Chennai, and to me, it's a no-brainer. But to Chennai, we have no idea whether they'll surprise us again.
Yeah, don't worry about that. We're only giving out inputs here. If we actually have to go to what the franchise would do, I can guarantee you 2 or 3 franchises that will mess this up. But let's not go into that. Saurabh, no Deepak Chahar on that list.
Yeah, it's a tough call actually. It's just a function of the way the retention have been structured. If there were more retentions or RTMs possible, Deepak Chahar was my 5th name actually on the list. And so I've taken Ruturaj Gaikwad ahead of him because you can't ignore Ruturaj after the kind of season he had, which by the way, he continued in the Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy. So it was not as if it was just like a 3 weeks of magic in the IPL. I think CSK owe a large part of the title win to how he batted. Dhoni and Jadeja, of course, there's no argument. So therefore, that's why Deepak Chahar misses out. Very unfortunate. I think they should go for him with big bucks at the auction.
Yeah, so I'm going to just extend on that point because similar reasons can be offered for a Shardul Thakur. And
exactly.
And it would be interesting, Dan, if you were allowed 4 Indian retentions, whether either Chahar or Shardul Thakur would pip a Moeen Ali in your 4. But at the end of it, all 3 of us, and you included in the 4, have not retained Shardul or Deepak Chahar. I wonder what you've made of everything you've just heard from us.
I want to change my mind. I must admit, when I was going through my list, I probably didn't put Deepak Chahar as high as I should have. And I think that how do you balance out the Indian fast bowler who's so reliable versus the Indian opening batsman who's so reliable? And I think you can make great cases for either or. And Shardul Thakur comes into that a little bit, but I think those 2 that we already mentioned just nip in front. So it's a great place to be in, and Stephen Fleming and the rest of the CSK management will put a lot of thought into it, and it will be fascinating who they choose. I think Moeen Ali speaks for himself just for that all-round ability, and I think Chennai have backed themselves year after year to find the overseas fast bowler, and they almost wait till the last one available, and then they pick him, and then he's exceptional, and we've seen that time and time again. So as much as they'll appreciate what Hazelwood did and they'll want him back, they won't worry if they have to go in another route.
What I will also add is whether there is a concern when you retain that you've not retained a single bowler, that you have to almost build your bowling again, leave your fate to what happens at the auction. And even with Dwayne Bravo's retirement, that Sam Curran with the offseason he had is not a tempting enough prospect to retain. Dan?
No, I don't think so. I think the others outweigh that value. And I think you think of Jadeja as a 4-over bowler. You think of Moeen Ali as 2 to 3 at best, and he provides such quality matchups. And so once you get that bowling into those top order batsmen, it allows you so much ability to balance out a lineup. So I think they'll view it as we've got 6 overs wrapped up already, and 4 of our top 6 batters, and that's a great start.
All right, there you have it then. Will we see CSK go hard and try and get Deepak Chahar and Shardul Thakur back? You know how much MS likes continuity, but we'll wait and watch. As far as our 4 picks go, the ESPN Cricket Info retentions for Chennai Super Kings, it's of course MS Dhoni along with Ravindra Jadeja, Ruturaj Gaikwad and Moeen Ali.